right, on 14, it says 18.6 is what percent of 120? And if you recall, the word of is your multiplication, and the is your equal sign. So we're looking at 18.6 is what percent, I'll just call that P, of means to multiply 120. So since P times 120 equals the 18.6, just take the 18.6 and divide it by 120 to get P. So grab your calculator. It's numerator divided by denominator. So 18.6 divided by 120 is 0.155. But that's not in percent form. You now have to multiply this times 100% to get it into percent form, and that's going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. So your final answer should be 15.5%, and that's 14. And then 15 is a similar problem. Once again, the number 41.8 is 23.75% of what number? So 41.8 equals, and then this time I know the percentage, but you have to take this and divide it by 100, which would move the decimal 2 places to the left. So this will be 0.2375 times what number? So I'll just call it n. So on this one, you'll have to divide. You'll have to take the 41.8 and divide it by the 0.2375. And so you and your calculator, 41.8 divided by 0.2375 equals 176. And that's my number. And that is 14 and 15.